Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to look at using ChatGPT to generate YouTube video ideas. If you're a YouTuber, you know how important it is to consistently create high quality content that keeps your audience engaged. But coming up with fresh and exciting ideas can be a challenge. That's where ChatGPT comes in. With its powerful language generation capabilities, ChatGPT can help you generate a wide range of YouTube video ideas quickly and easily. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of using ChatGPT to create a year's worth of YouTube video ideas in under 10 minutes. So let's get started. First of all, you want to install this Google Chrome extension, as this is how we'll get the best prompts for generating YouTube video ideas. Then simply open ChatGPT, and this is your new screen. This is what you will see. This Chrome extension has now given us tons of pre-made ChatGPT prompts that we can use to get our YouTube video ideas. Now to find the YouTube prompts, I'm simply going to search for YouTube. And here we go. So we have lots of YouTube script prompts. YouTube killer titles. So if you need new clickbait titles, you can use this prompt here. This one will give you YouTube SEO title, description, and tags for your video. All you need to do is add a keyword for the video idea. This one on the left will generate a YouTube script and a catchy title, intro, and outro. Now we want YouTube video ideas. So we're going to click next a couple of times, and we're going to use this prompt here. This is going to create a monthly schedule for YouTube videos. So let's click onto this. And now we're simply going to enter some keywords for my YouTube channel. So for now, I've just written 4 keywords, which are marketing, Canva, WordPress, and SEO. So let's see what this can do with these 4 keywords. So simply hit enter. And as you can see, this is now going to start creating our YouTube schedule for marketing, Canva, WordPress, and SEO related videos. Now, when you do this, you want to enter many more keywords than I have, and you want to try and be a bit more specific. I've been quite broad, and I've not really given any specific information. And it has already created week 1 and week 2. So on week 1, we have secrets of SEO marketing. Tuesday, we have Canva hacks for stunning ads. Wednesday is master WordPress in 7 days. Thursday is SEO 5 tips for top rankings. Friday is marketing mastery in 30 days. Saturday is Canva for business, and Sunday is ultimate WordPress SEO guide. Then we have week 2, week 3, and now it's creating week 4 as well. And there we go. We have an entire month of YouTube video ideas already laid out for us, and everything has been done for us. All we need to do is create the videos. Now it says repeat these themes with variations and focus on the long tail keywords for each topic every month for the rest of the year. Now, if I wanted even better results, I would put more specific long tail keywords, and I would enter more keywords than I have, as I only entered 4. Now let's say you want to do this even better and get better results with more specific video ideas that are more accurate. Now what I've done is use this same prompt again, but I've entered many more keywords, and the keywords that I've entered are slightly more specific to my channel. So now once again, let's hit enter and see what this generates. So again, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we have week 1 here, how to increase website traffic, how to build a website with WordPress, WordPress tips, SEO tips and tricks, design a logo with Canva. And as you can see, it's just going on with more and more and more and more ideas. In fact, this time because I entered more keywords, it's even done week 5 and week 6 as well. And even week 7. Now you can do this again and again and again until you have an entire year of YouTube video content ideas for your YouTube channel. Now you may need to slightly alter some of these ideas, but for the most part, this is absolutely fantastic. So you can even use ChatGPT to make these ideas better. So let's say we have Wednesday from week 2. So I'm now going to say, please take the video for Wednesday on week 2 and give me 5 clickable video title ideas. Now it would help if I spelled Wednesday correctly. And there we go. So I've written, please take the video for Wednesday on week 2 and give me 5 clickable video title ideas. Now Wednesday on week 2 is grow your YouTube channel. So let's hit enter for this. And here we go. So now we have been given 5 clickable ideas for Wednesday on week 2. Now this hasn't given us the best results. It would probably be helpful if rather than writing Wednesday on week 2, I actually wrote the video idea. However, this first one is 10 tips to grow your YouTube channel fast in 2023. So if you don't like some of these ideas that have been generated, you can use ChatGPT to further define the ideas and turn them into clickable YouTube video titles. So there we go. That is how you can create a year's worth of YouTube video content ideas with ChatGPT in under 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and a comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks and goodbye.